Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable or disable Lift to Wake screen on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. This feature allows you to wake up your phone screen simply by picking it up, making it easier to check the notifications, time, or other information on your lock screen. So how to do that? First you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then please scroll down. And then here you can select Advanced Features. Okay, and then here you can choose Motion and Gestures menu. Well, so in this page you can activate Lift to Wake feature by pressing this button. And then the way to turn it off, you can simply press on this button. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable or disable Lift to Wake screen on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.